single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Morning, y'all. Happy Vlogmas. Another day. So right now it is currently 12 o'clock. So right now I'm gonna go grab something to eat. Starboard chose to eat pizza we had yesterday. I ain't filmed that, but yeah, yesterday. I'm gonna start right now.
Hi, I'm finna come get something to drink.
Hurry up. Go past.
Don't rush yourself.
I'm saying hurry up because I was in your way and I'm supposed to
Is that complete?
Yes, nope, it's not clean. I'm gonna wash that. But yeah, what I'm finna eat, I'm eating some leftover Chinese food from last night, so that's what I'm eating. Started eating leftover pizza from last night.
Mama said I can have it. Oh yeah, why don't you show them about our new different TV? The regular.
It ain't got nothing different. It's just it ain't nothing special. All they did, y'all know cable companies upgraded and some channels added, some channels been taken away. Depending what type of service you have. We have WOW. You feel me? Some people might have Spectrum, some people might have Xfinity. So she excited like how they updated the numbers.
Yeah, they
and
got
how
Onyx Kids and Ryan.
Yeah, shout out to Onyx Kids. They're also YouTubers. They got their own channel. Ryan got his own channel. Like what?
And he got 2 little sisters.
And he on Disney. So shout out to them.
Nickelodeon.
Oh, he's still on TV. But congratulations to y'all for the success. Hard work and dedication do pays off. So, but to me, I'm like, I'm for the eat, man. Cause you know sometimes you can't think till you eat. So I'm for to go eat. So yeah, that's what we call pig in a blanket, aka sausage and like with a croissant wrapped around it. Chinese rice. I don't make no sense leaving a little bit of juice in that pouring, so I might as well drink it all. And for to watch some YouTube, so I can see. I don't know. We love some YouTube. It's to the point. See, about this YouTube. So wait, hold on. Let me get the lighting, y'all. Let me get the lighting. There you go. This YouTube. Dog, where we at, in the rent, the cable is included. If it was to us, we ain't paying for cable. Last time we ever paid for cable when we had Xfinity, that was like a good 5 to 6 years ago. We be hooked on YouTube because we watch YouTube more than anything. You feel what I'm saying? So, believe it to us, everything is on YouTube. So that's how I look at it. And plus on all the smart TVs and stuff, you got apps and stuff. All you need is Wi-Fi. You got apps you can download. You can watch this, you can watch that. You got Netflix, you got Apple TV, you got Fire Stick, you got everything. So it's like, what I need cable for? Only thing I probably need cable for is the Wi-Fi. So that's what I'm doing for the eat. Watch some those who I support, also give them watch time and stuff like that. I'm gonna be honest with you, sometimes I watch some, I may watch it for 5 minutes, but I gave you some watch time. You feel me? I know a lot of people, oh, you watch 5 minutes of my video. I'll be honest, if I don't like the content, I respect the hustle, I watch 5 minutes of the video as showing support. You feel what I'm saying? But if I like your video, I like your video. I'm gonna be genuine and real about it. So, for the eat, watch some YouTube, and see what the day brings. So y'all, we in the store now today. So we see what Kit Kat eat. I'm thinking about getting her something different. You already know about the treats.
But it's not in the
Hold that. We should have got a basket. We didn't even get a basket.
I can go get a basket.
Yeah, go get a basket. I'm gonna find out what.
Stay here.
Oh, what happened to this? I don't know, the camera's tripping, y'all. Like, it won't stay. Oh, I'm sorry.
You're fine.
No, you're fine. Oh, yeah, I got a question. I'll start rolling the cart. So he just gave me advice. Karina's a good one for her. Gave her some salmon because she likes salmon.
She's good.
Matter of fact, we did give her a Christmas present too. She love to chase this, y'all. Kit Kat love this. The little beads and stuff. So we ain't gotta keep on throwing the ball or whatever. Chase this all night. So give her one of those.
We gotta look for something.
And we got her out the way. Now what's next?
A bed.
She don't need no bed. She sleep in our bed, so. Gonna put pajamas out. She wanna see pajamas. I think they're gonna be too small for you. Like you need to get the other size. It's too small for you, Star.
Oh, got this one.
A bit, but they're too small. Look, that's too small. That's too small.
Yeah, you right.
So.
We may have.
So, you still looking? It should be over here. Should be over here. Hold on, yeah. It's over here. It's on that wall, probably. I don't know. I'm not sure.
It might have business sizes for kids over there.
I'm trying to race.
The car look like this.
Come on, don't flip, don't. I don't have one no more. It should be right here. There you go.
Sorry.
So we going over here. Gotta get you a toy. We're gonna go to the toy aisle.
I want to get something for mom.
The carriage.
She works so hard in the house. She works so hard every day.
Yeah, she do. She deserve the world. Oh, I'm sorry. Y'all, look at this monster truck.
Let me just look.
Don't excuse the music, but that's a big monster truck. But what you want to look around now? I'm not gonna be here all day. It's getting packed and packed. See? Stay in one spot. Stay in one spot. So choose your gift what you want. So y'all, she hooked on LOL. So then what section we at? LOLs. Whether they get these, I'm gonna show y'all when we get home. That's all you want? That's all I'm gonna let you know.
Oh, you know that challenge? Get what you can't hold?
No, we're not doing that challenge. So we better get what you want. That's all I can tell you. For Ninfahall for something right now. And I'm looking like, see what Ninfahall like. So, start back there. She got everything she wanted. So get whatever you want. So go ahead. But gotta see what my wife will like. I'm trying to go to the what's the name aisle for some book bags. I need me a new book bag. Oh. See me, Star? Oh, cause she trailing behind me. So I can see. So. Star got everything she wanted. So. Is y'all. She said she's so tired. When kids get everything they want, they lazy. They out of order.
No, I was walking so much. We walked like around the
You
store.
young. You young.
We did a full 180.
It's cool. It's all right. You want to stay home?
I got legs.
She put over these people's stuff. We about to check out. These lines long. Look, we back in the clothes. We're in the clothes, y'all. So this line is long. All the lines. So I might want self checkout to be open.
This called 19.
Okay, that's what you wanted. $19. We just made it home, as y'all can see. For do this little grocery haul and close this out. But make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, be notified. What you're waiting for, guys. It is free. But I'm gonna let Stara, cause I don't know the name of the toy, so yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So let me start with this stuff over here. And the last I'm gonna save the best.
Go ahead.
Okay, so we got some food for Kit Kat because we was running low.
Yeah, we ran low on Kit Kat food.
We got her some treats. Got Mama some treats, and then
I had bought some shirts because my shirts was too small, so.
X large. And we got her a light beamer.
Merry Christmas, Kit Kat.
Merry Christmas. And we saved the last for best. That was a triple haul. We have this na surprise. We have this Barbie mermaid. Chelsea. Then we have the bigger one, Barbie. And then we have these mini brand toys. Can I open one of these?
Yeah, you can open one.
Okay,
Sure.
so I'm gonna show y'all some the little zipper. Come on. This is my policy. Keep opening it. Oh, I didn't find it. Oh, it has plastic on it.
She gotta open, y'all.
First one of all. Oh, mini band bag. I'm trying to get to the. Oh wow.
Got a baby LOL.
That's not a LOL. That's a JoJo Siwa doll.
Oh, baby JoJo YC doll.
Baby JoJo, why you using them? Okay, we have 2 more.
It peeled like an orange. Okay, Kit Kat, I'm gonna feed you because she hungry, y'all. Look, Kit Kat trying to rip through the bag.
Got some slime. Okay.
Baby slime in there. Hey, but you'll be amazed how much these little listen. Her toys came up to that little bit of toys right there came up to little son. Boy, these dolls these days. Woo.
Pull up. Frisbee.
She had a frisbee.
Frisbee.
And it peeled like an orange, like different prizes.
We have the last one. Oh.
Oh, so a little baby hula hoop.
Quit calling it a baby.
But yeah, y'all, I'm about to close this vlog out. Hope y'all enjoy. Till we see y'all in the next video. We out.
Oh, bye-bye.